I'm Andy, the Mitsubishi guy from Showcase Mitsubishi. Here's a fresh arrival. Hard car to find. 2007 Mitsubishi Outlander LS. It's the V6 front-wheel drive model. Gets great gas mileage. This car has under 70,000 miles on it. Now let me tell you up front in this video, because I know everything looks good in pictures. This car is in nice condition. Mechanically, it's excellent. But there are bumps and scratches all around this car. If you're looking for a showpiece, this is not a showpiece. If you're looking at something that's a great value for the money, that will run and drive very well, that we've inspected and mechanically we give it the thumbs up, this is your car. It's a lot of car for not a lot of money. I know we put new tires on it. I know there was some other mechanical work done to it. The brakes were checked. It's got a new radiator in it. There were some other things like that. She's good for the road. Very nice car. Like I said, is it a showpiece? No, it's not. But is it fantastic transportation for the money? Absolutely it is. So get a good look at it. 2007, first year for the Outlander. Like I said, V6, which is really, really nice. Lots of space inside of it. Let me show you the inside. Very comfortable interior, and one of the things about the Outlander that everybody likes from this year was all the storage capacity that they put into it. You get a big glove box right here. You get an upper glove box right here. You even get a dashboard spot right there. So, I mean, there's cubby holes everywhere on this car. And safety was an option on this car. It was standard equipment. This car has front airbags, it has side seat airbags, and it's got side curtain airbags. Like I said, very powerful 3-liter V6, front wheel drive option. Obviously, it's got the power windows and the power locks and the power mirrors, okay? Got tilt steering right here, cruise control right here, AM, FM, CD, heater and air conditioning controls down here. Another big cubby hole, drink holder, 12-volt, shifter, double drink holders. Inside of here, you got a double center armrest. So there's your top layer, there's your second layer, lots of room inside of there. Driver's side seat, obviously recline. It's got height adjustment. It's a mechanical height adjustment, but just the same, whether you're tall or short, it's gonna fit you like a glove. You're gonna like it. And these cars are very smooth and very nice on the highway. I'll show you the second row. Interior on this car, by the way, is exceptional. It's super, super nice. This car doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in. I would say it's not a smoker's car. Okay, second row seat in Mitsubishi cars. First of all, ton of leg room in here, ton of headroom, okay? I'm not the tallest guy in the world, but I'll tell you, we've had very tall people sit in here, and they've been very comfortable, all right? Second row seat in this car does fold down. Got a center armrest that also comes down right here with double drink holder in it, and you get a lot of room in the back. Now, if you want to see what this is all about, let me climb out. And by the way, did I mention this is theater height seating? So you sit up higher back here so you see well out the front window, you're less likely to get car sick. I think I mentioned it, but I wasn't sure if I did. If you want to flip this seat forward, I think all you have to do is just flip it, and it tumbles up, and there you go. And now you've got a ton of cargo space. Now, both of these back seats do this same function, and it is just that easy. And wait till you see the double opening clamshell tailgate. As we move around to the back, LED taillights, okay? I was mentioning the clamshell tailgate, and this is what I'm talking about. In 2007, they introduced this. You open up the top, here's the best part. Now you open up the bottom. It's one of the lowest loading heights of any of these cars in its class. All the dog magazines wrote up how much they love this if you have pets, because it's so easy for a dog to get in and out of it based on its loading height. You'll also notice this is all plastic here, and it runs plastic down here, so you're not scratching your paint when you're loading things in and out of the car. You get extra storage right here, and look at the space you've got. Now, I've only got one of those seats folded, but you can tumble the other one forward, and you can imagine how much room you get back here. Everybody loves crossovers, and there's a reason why. The reason why is because you get all the things that you like in a truck, but you get the comfort and the fuel economy of a car. It's a great combination. So here you are. This is a car that probably gets near 30 miles per gallon. It's as comfortable as a sedan, but it's got the room of a truck. Good towing capacity on this car too if you want to tow a trailer. Rear wiper, like I said, all the good stuff that you're looking for. It's a nice car. It's a 2007. What can you buy in this price range under 70,000 miles? It's mechanically rock and roll and ready to go. There's nothing out there. This car is. Okay, so let me tell you a couple of things. If you're interested in financing, we can arrange for that securely over our website. We can do it over the phone if you want, and we can certainly do it in person, and I invite you to take a trade-in. If you think you want this car, and we ship cars all over the country, you let us know, because we can arrange for transportation for this car, have it drop right off at your doorstep, and it's probably not as expensive as what you think. And I hate to see a road map be in the way of somebody owning the right car for themselves. And this is a lot of car for the money. So keep it in mind, give us a call. We can answer any and all of your questions. We can go over the service history. We can tell you whatever you want to know. We're experts on Mitsubishis. It's what we do. Give us a call at Showcase Mitsubishi. Our phone number is 989-684-0500.